Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been a subject of much discussion: the impact of artificial intelligence on the workforce. As AI technology continues to advance, it's crucial to explore which professions might see changes. Join us as we delve into some of the roles that could be transformed by AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a transformative force across various industries, revolutionizing the way tasks are performed and opening up new avenues of efficiency and productivity. While AI complements human capabilities in many fields, there are professions where it has the potential to significantly automate tasks, reducing the need for human intervention. This video explores some of the human professions that are being influenced by AI, the tasks that can be automated, and the implications for the future of the workforce. Agriculture. In agriculture, AI-driven technologies are optimizing various processes, from planting and harvesting to pest control and irrigation. Drones equipped with AI-powered sensors and cameras can monitor crop health and assess the need for interventions. Autonomous tractors and machinery are becoming increasingly sophisticated in performing tasks traditionally done by human operators. Land mapping and soil analysis. Drones are equipped to generate high-resolution 3D maps of fields. This data provides valuable insights into soil health, topography, and drainage patterns. By understanding the characteristics of their land, farmers can make informed decisions about land use, crop selection, and drainage improvements. Transportation and logistics. The transportation and logistics sector is undergoing a revolution with the advent of autonomous vehicles and AI-driven route optimization systems. Self-driving trucks and delivery drones are being developed to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and increase safety in the transportation of goods. AI algorithms optimize routes based on real-time data, reducing fuel consumption and delivery times. Education and e-learning. In education, AI-powered tools are enhancing personalized learning experiences. Adaptive learning platforms use AI algorithms to tailor content and assessments to individual student needs. Language learning apps utilize speech recognition and natural language processing to provide real-time feedback on pronunciation and grammar. Retail and customer service. The retail industry is experiencing a substantial shift with the integration of AI-powered solutions. Chatbots, equipped with natural language processing capabilities, are increasingly handling customer inquiries and providing support in online shopping. AI-driven recommendation systems analyze customer preferences and behaviors to suggest products, enhancing the overall shopping experience. Healthcare and diagnostics. AI is playing a significant role in healthcare, particularly in diagnostic imaging. Machine learning algorithms can analyze medical images such as X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans to detect anomalies and assist in diagnosing conditions. Additionally, virtual health assistants are being employed to provide basic healthcare information and advice. Manufacturing and production. AI-powered robots are transforming the manufacturing process by taking on tasks that were once exclusively performed by humans. Industrial robots equipped with computer vision systems can assemble products, perform quality control checks, and even adapt to changes in production requirements. This results in increased precision, speed, and efficiency in manufacturing operations. AI-driven generative design tools can create optimized product designs based on specified criteria, leading to more efficient and innovative products. AI provides real-time insights into various aspects of the manufacturing process, allowing for quick decision-making and continuous improvement. Also, AI systems can monitor compliance with safety regulations and alert operators or shut down processes if unsafe conditions are detected. Telecommunications and network management. AI algorithms are used to optimize network performance, detect and prevent network outages, and manage traffic flow in telecommunications systems. This ensures a reliable and efficient communication infrastructure. AI also can monitor network traffic in real time and allocate resources dynamically to prioritize critical services, ensuring a consistent and high-quality user experience. Analyze network traffic patterns to detect and prevent cyber threats, including DDoS attacks, malware, and suspicious activities. It helps in safeguarding sensitive data and ensuring network security. Gaming and virtual reality. Artificial intelligence plays a critical role in the gaming industry. AI-powered characters and opponents in video games can exhibit complex behaviors, adapt to player actions, and provide realistic gaming experiences. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. Technologies are also leveraging AI to create immersive and interactive environments. Financial services. AI is reshaping the financial industry through the automation of tasks in areas like risk assessment, fraud detection, and investment advisory. Chatbots and virtual assistants are being used for customer service, while algorithms are employed for trading, portfolio management, and credit scoring. Fashion and design industry. In the fashion and design industry, AI is influencing trends, production, and customization. AI-driven algorithms can analyze consumer preferences and historical fashion data to predict upcoming trends. Additionally, 3D modeling and virtual fitting rooms powered by AI enhance the online shopping experience, allowing customers to visualize clothing before purchase. Smart cities and urban planning. AI is a cornerstone of smart city initiatives, optimizing urban planning and resource allocation. Predictive analytics and machine learning algorithms assist in traffic management, energy conservation, waste management, and public safety. This leads to more efficient and sustainable urban environments. AI-powered systems can optimize traffic flow by analyzing real-time data from traffic cameras, sensors, and GPS devices. This can help reduce congestion, improve public transportation systems, and enhance overall mobility. AI-powered surveillance systems also can analyze video feeds in real time to detect unusual activities or potential security threats. This can improve emergency response times and enhance overall safety in public spaces. AI can predict maintenance needs for critical infrastructure like bridges, roads, and public buildings. By analyzing data on wear and tear, it helps in proactive maintenance, reducing costly repairs and ensuring public safety. Chatbots and virtual assistants powered by AI can provide citizens with easy access to information and services. They can answer queries, provide directions, and even facilitate online transactions, improving the overall experience for residents and visitors. Space exploration and astronomy. In the field of space exploration, AI is utilized for tasks like autonomous navigation, data analysis, and mission planning. Autonomous spacecraft and rovers rely on AI algorithms to make decisions in real time, especially in environments where communication with Earth may be delayed. While AI has the potential to automate many tasks within these professions, it's important to note that it is more likely to augment rather than entirely replace human roles. The human touch remains indispensable in areas such as creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex decision-making. Additionally, the ethical and societal implications of widespread AI adoption in the workforce must be carefully considered. In conclusion, the integration of artificial intelligence into various professions is reshaping industries and transforming the nature of work. While some tasks can be automated, the unique qualities and capabilities of human workers will continue to be essential. As AI technologies continue to advance, it is crucial for societies to adapt, retrain the workforce, and develop policies that ensure a balanced and productive coexistence between humans and AI in the workforce of the future.